Hey, what's up guys? This is what we're going to do to this apartment. It's a one bedroom. We're going to convert it to a two bedroom. So if you look here, this is the big living room. And for this apartment, this is too big for a living room in my opinion. So what we're going to do is we're going to build a wall right here. Wall's going to come right here. We're going to install a door right here. So then when you come in, you're going to walk through into the bedroom. Alright, this way, right here, we're going to take this wall out. So this wall is not a weight bearing wall, so we're going to take this wall out and it's going to open up this whole space. And here is where we're going to have the living room where they have the TV and they have the sofa and they have the coffee table and that sort of thing. Over here is where we'll have, this is the kitchen. So everything here will remain the same. So what we're going to do when we take this wall out, we're going to extend the area over here where we're going to have a refrigerator on this side. So we'll have, this will remain and we will have, like say, they can put the sofa here, they can have TV here. And we wanted to make sure we keep that light to have the light in this area. That's why we're on this side. We need to have a window here so that, because you need a window for a bedroom, so that's why the bedroom is going to be on this side. So once we take this out, it's going to open this space up here. We'll have the refrigerator will extend out over here, and then we'll add more cabinetry over here. All right, so look for that. Let you know as we go through the process.